What's up everybody, I'm Rexel here and welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I decided to pop up on here because your girl's about to head out the door. I'm about to go run some errands and then after that I'm gonna go work out, okay? Because your girl's on a fitness journey. That's why I have my little workout fit on. But I decided to come on here and share something with y'all because this little girl right here, this little girly that I'm about to share with y'all, I guess she's tea because I've been getting some compliments on her. And you know, I knew she was a cute number, but the girls must love it too. So what are we talking about, y'all, today? We're talking about the Coach Tabby Crossbody Wristlet. So I feel like Coach has been doing their big one. They've been coming out with some really nice, some really quality pieces that all the girls are loving. Now, what I have in my hands here is the Tabby Crossbody Wristlet. Not to be confused with the Tabby Crossbody, that one's a little bit bigger than this. And then I think there's like a Tabby chain wallet or something like that. I don't know. I know I got this one. Okay, so this is the Crossbody Wristlet. I really like it. It's really small. Now, if you like to pack a lot of things in your bag, baby, this ain't for you because you can't really fit much in here. This is just for the essentials, the essentials, the essentials. Now, this bag right here, this is not a bag that you need to baby, okay? This leather is superb. Like, I be throwing this girl every which way, even though I probably shouldn't. I do. And she still look good. Look at her. She looks good. The bottom looks good. I've had this bag for some time now and she basically looks like how she was when she came out the box, okay? But let's get into the bag. So right here on the front of the bag, you do see the Coach logo. So this is like their newer logo. It's really cute, really sleek. It gives a simple look to the bag. If you don't know this logo, you wouldn't know it's Coach. And I'm okay with that and I really like it. So I really enjoy this push lock. It's so cute. So you literally just kind of push this button right here and it opens. And when you open it, you see the front of the bag. Now let's get into this. Y'all see right here? It says Coach. They engraved Coach right here. It's so cute. I like that. So it gives you like a little bit of a surprise when you open the bag. Now there is a front pocket right here. I don't really use that pocket because you can't fit nothing in there. What you gonna fit in there? Receipts? You can't fit nothing in there. You can barely fit anything in the bag. But yeah, we have this front pocket right here. You can't fit nothing in there really. And then we have the main compartment in the bag. Now I do have some things in there. I'll get into that in a second. But we do see right here, we see the fabric lining. And that's kind of the main thing for the front of the bag. It's a really, really nice. It's really, really simple and cute. On the back of the bag, we also have a pocket as well. I don't put anything in here either. Probably can't really fit much, maybe a little piece of gum or something back there, but I don't put anything in there. So let's get back into the inside of the bag. Now, right here we have this chain. We're gonna get into the chain in a second. I didn't purchase this chain. It automatically came with the bag, which is something that I love. But what else I have inside of here is a wristlet because this is the Tabby Crossbody Wristlet. Now, this wristlet, it is the pebbled leather, just like the outside of the bag. And then it has this little clasp closure that you just kind of like open and close and you attach it to the side of here. I attach this chain to the bag. You can take this off and then you can put the wristlet on there and just carry it around like that, because some people don't like the feeling of a crossbody. Some people would kind of prefer to like hold it like a wallet, like a wristlet wallet. I like the crossbody. I keep it on the crossbody all the time. So on the inside of the bag, we have these two credit card slots. Now, I don't put nothing in here because I have something else that holds my cards, but if you want to put two cards in here, you can. We also have like a little pocket that you can put whatever you need in there. Right here, I just got a little piece of paper. This actually came in the bag. This is just for a QR code so you can go to Coach Care. So I guess they kind of help you take care of the bag. You probably could resell your bag through them if you want to. But yeah, that's it. It's nothing too crazy in here, nothing to wow about. It's just the inside of your bag. And then we also have, like, on the side, they have this tag on here. Now you can take this tag off if you want to, you don't have to, but it does say Coach on the tag. Also says Coach right here on this little piece of the tag as well. Y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see, but it says Coach right here. And then they have, like, Coach engraved in little tiny cute spots. On this class, they have Coach engraved right here. They also have it engraved, I thought I saw it. They also have it engraved right here. Can we see that? They also have it engraved right here. I don't know if we can see that. I'm gonna try to zoom in. And it's on both sides too, on both closures. And then, like, at the bottom of here, they have it. You can't see it. I don't think you can see this, but they have it engraved at the bottom. They have it engraved at the bottom right here too. But it's really cute. I really like it. Onto this chain. Now, this is a great quality chain, y'all. The whole bag is good quality. So, you know, sometimes, like, if you get chains on a bag, whether you got it from some luxury brand or Amazon, child, sometimes the chain feels a little lightweight. This is a hefty chain. Like, it feels like it's good quality. Like, it's a nice chain. And I don't know what I was expecting whenever I got this. Maybe I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, but it's a nice chain and it's so cute up against the pebbled leather. So let's see the bag on the body. Now, the bag on the body, for me, it hits a little bit low, but honestly, I'm okay with it. I didn't like that whenever I first got it, but as I've been wearing her, I don't even think about it. Like, it's fine. It'll hit a little bit higher on a taller person, but for me, it hits a little bit low. So any 5 feet girlies like myself, it's gonna hit a little bit low, but it's okay. You're not gonna be worried about how low the bag hits. You're just gonna be worried about how cute you look. But also, you do have the option to carry it as a wristlet if you prefer that. Now that we've seen how cute the bag is, let's go ahead and see what fits inside. All right, so here she is, sitting real cute, real pretty. And let me tell y'all, I pack her real nice and real easy, y'all. I go on ahead and pack her with this corner zip wristlet, okay? So let me tell y'all what I have in here, and then I'll put her inside and show you how she zips. So I just have my AirPods. I have some MAC lip gloss. This is the shade Spite. I have a Coach mirror. I have some hand sanitizer. This is Bath & Body Works Strawberry Pound Cake. I have a Jimmy Choo's I Want You. This is just a travel size fragrance. And then what is this? This is MAC's Night Moth. This is a lip liner. And then I have like a few cards in here. I don't gotta take that out. So I just pack that in there and then pack this in my bag. So let's do that now. So y'all see, I kind of had to like stuff her a little bit, and I had to pull on here like a good amount in order for me to close it. Now you see it does create like this little fold right here, but it hasn't really messed with the integrity of the bag. I guess because I have it too full right now. If I didn't have, let's take something out. If I took something out, then it still Did that fold? Yeah, I mean a little bit. Yeah, it'll still create it. So these are my essentials. This is what I would put in my bag. You put your essentials, whatever you feel like you would need on a day-to-day basis. But yeah, this is what fits in the bag. All right, y'all, so it's clear that I love Coach because I got a few of their bags and some of their other products, but I really like them. They be so cute, baby. They're simple, sleek, cute. They be getting me together every time. But if this video was very informative to you, if it helped you in any way, be sure to like the video. Also, comment down below and subscribe, y'all. I'm trying to go on this platform. This helps promote the growth of the channel. It's free to do, just a simple like, comment, or subscribe, one or the other. You don't gotta do all three if you don't want to. Just do one. Just like the video. But that's it. That's all. If you guys want to get the bag or you're going to get the bag, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments because I'm interested to see who else likes this bag. If you already have the bag, let me know. Let me know what color you're gonna get or you already got. But anyway, y'all, I thank y'all for coming back to Kick It With Your Girl, and y'all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Bye.